Buy today watermelon. So heavy. Let's try. First cut it from here. Oh, so good. Musica, любимая. I feel something wrong. I just can't understand. What do you guys think? He's okay or no? Maybe I shouldn't eat.